Hey guys, just a quick update here on the online RPG framework I've been working on. First thing, I'm going to launch this thing. It goes out and gets XML files from a website that I designate and loads everything up. So all the models, the scenery, etc. are all contained in external STK files, which are like Shiva archive files with artwork. And the rules for classes are also contained in there, as well as the skins that I would like to have for each class as starting out. So what I did is I designated probably like 7 or 8 skins available for each class. I haven't really picked them out yet, but these came from a pack I bought. And let's see, I've also designated 3 different classes inside XML files that also say like what starting weapons the class will use. So in this case we have warrior, and you can see he's got, I call that a sword and a shield mounted. Those are very simple shapes I built, and the mounting information is also in an XML file. It inherits. So I have one sword XML definition that I can specify any model for, and then I can inherit that any number of times to create elemental swords with effects and things like that. It also specifies a rotation and an offset, so in case I need to sort of tweak where these things are mounted to on the models, I can do that. So we also have left-handed and right-handed stuff going on, and here's an example of a staff object that's offset. So what we basically do is you choose your character, and over here I'm going to have a drop-down list, so whatever you want to have as your name, Rogi. And then you connect. So basically what that does is that takes just skin information, like which class, skin, and name you picked. This is going to be an automatic matchmaker, but this is my lobby functionality I've built previously. Then it creates a game. This goes out, specifies that I'm going to be the master server. I'm going to get rid of this spawn interface since I don't need it anymore. Character creation is done at the start. And then he gives a couple seconds to actually get all the information out to the master server and down. I'm going to have a spawn-in particle effect that happens here. Let's see, and then you can just sort of run around the world, which is pretty cool. You've seen some of this stuff before, but this is the server menu. The server menu is something for an admin to use, where they can create objects on the fly. And you can create all kinds of different things. You can create portals to other maps, and any kind of different sceneries that I want to create. These are all things that are defined in XML files. And I'm getting attacked, so I'm just going to sort of run away a little bit here. And now I will pause. I'm going to pause this while I go and fire up like another client so you can see what the multiplayer looks like. I have not yet built the mounting capabilities into the regular online class. So with my iPhone, I'm going to connect to this game, and it's going to be over 3G using my iPhone. And he's going to come in. See, spawned in. We have again the 2-second delay, and the skin I picked with my character creation is there as well. So he's just going to sort of turn around and walk up there. The bloom was a little bit strong on the white textures, and come back to me. So he's just sort of turning around and walking around. This is using a very intense networking. It's sending out packet updates a few times a second, and it's recording 10 snapshots a second. So it's a lot of information. I may decide to turn down the amount of information that's being sent over, or go with like a click to move scenario, so that it doesn't send as much information over the network, which will help preserve bandwidth for people. Well, that is kind of it for now, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.